following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. We have various reports from the public that their food for Thanksgiving is being contaminated for unknown reason. These Thanksgiving foods include, but are not limited to, the following: turkey, chicken, bread, onions, and pie. If you have already ate these mentioned foods, report yourself to the hospital immediately. The local authorities are advising all residents are strongly advised to avoid eating the contaminated food. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Many people have gotten infected by an unknown virus. This virus is believed to be coming from the contaminated food. If you have caught the unknown virus, you will start to experience the following symptoms that has been discovered by the CDC. These symptoms include coughing, sore throat, stomach pain, sweating, headaches, and fatigue. Report yourself or your loved ones to the hospital if you have caught the virus. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
This is an administrative message. The National Guard are being sent and deployed to pick up the contaminated food to an undisclosed location. If you have a contaminated food, please leave it outside so the National Guard will come and pick up the food. This is the administrative message. All regular programming may now continue.